These are native garlics. My husband harvested 3 days ago. And my husband said this is more than 100 kilograms. My husband already harvested this our organic native garlics 3 days ago. And then he planted also something here. I think this is capsicum or green chilies. This one. And I think this is green chilies or capsicum. And some also eggplants here. Yan. From this place, these are native garlics. And in this place where we plant this native garlics, there are some vegetables. These are clam or like Chinese pichay. Yan. Ito yung ano. Ito yung tomatoes yata. Yan ito. Tomatoes. Yan. Yan. Kasi may nabibili sa bazaar. By isang tali yata 100 rupees. So bali ang tinanim niya kamatis, eggplants, green chilies and capsicum. And up to here my husband harvested native garlics para up to here. And the rest, this one we did not harvest, this G1 garlics. Yan. Yan mga G1 garlics yan. Konti lang ang G1 garlics kasi hindi kami nagtanim. Yung lang native garlics is this is good than native G1 garlics. Ayan yung mga kambing namin. Today is May 17 and time check 5:30 PM. Ayan yung mga kambing namin. Saan yung iba? Yan 11 yung kambing namin Aywan ko saan yung iba. Yan Where other bakridar? They're already inside. Ito yung iba, kumakain pa sila. So, puntahan natin doon sa loob, yung mga maliliit. Ayan, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. So, punta tayo doon kung saan namin nilalagay yung kambing. Kasi 5:30 PM na. So, pakita ko din yung na harvest na bawang. Native garlics. Yan dito. Ito yung ito yung tangkay ng native na garlics 3 days ago na hinarvest. So andito yung mga native garlics dito nilagay lahat. Ayan, ito lahat. Ayan. Madami din ito. Ayan native garlics ito yan. Siguro, sabi ni Lakay siguro more than 50 yata ito, 50 kilogram. Yan And then yung ibang kambing dito na tinali ni Lakay. Dito na nilagay ni Lakay. Dito yung nila, bahay nila. Yung iba. Yung iba mamaya-maya pa nila kay ilagay. Bakit hindi buksan? Ayun, nakatali na. Ayun. Ayan, nandito na sila lahat. Our corns. Very nice weather. In Mariam said that Japanese 42 in Islamabad. Really, at daytime, I don't know by this time now. Even by this time, it's still hot there. I don't know, Meli. I did not ask. I will ask Meli. Ha? Ayan, my husband is cultivating our corn. How many months now this one corn, Dar? 1 month? And how about this popcorn, no? Cannot be? Come or no? Ay. Hmm. No problem. Hmm. Oh, tingnan nyo itong aming bees. Ang dami, oh. Ang dami, dami, dami. Ah. Ayan, oh, ito green pa ang apricot. Apricots. Mga next month pa ito. Mga first week of next month. Malibanag na ito. Ayan. Ang ganda ng flowers na ito. Yung iba nag-bloom. Yung iba marami pa ang hindi pa nag-bloom. Ayun, sila kay. Maraming kulay ito. May red, may violet. Hindi pa hindi pa nag flowers yung iba, meron yata doon. Tingnan natin. Ito pink din, oh. Isang pinotol yung baba doon, oh. Yan din. Yan din yan. Ayan, mga apricots, green pa. Next month pa ito, mga first week of next month. Ayan.